Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I'm a food scientist and your low-carb coach. Now, over the last 30 years, I've helped thousands of men, women, and children, many with cardiovascular diseases, kidney disease, diabetes. Now, we know there are millions of Americans here who are desperate to find healthy low-carb meals. Unfortunately, it's all processed everywhere. So, what do these millions of Americans have to do every day? Well, they have to struggle to find low-carb meals every day. They have to make sure they stay in budget. And of course, they have to make sure it's nutritious. But when the food is processed, there's very little nutrition in there. That's why so few people ever really experience improvement in their health. And I've noticed this more and more over the last 30 years. That's why I formulated Mealbetics. Mealbetics is the first 100% organic low-carb meals that you can eat every day. Replace one, preferably 2 meals every day. And not only is it healthy and nutritious, but extremely delicious. And it's for all ages, from fetus to senior citizen. So if you're looking for a truly healthy source of low-carb meals, you're tired of struggling to find food healthy enough out there, you're tired of counting carbs, you're tired of worrying about whether it's raised with pesticides or GMOs or other toxic excipients, you just want something truly healthy, something truly nutritious and delicious without having to spend a fortune for it, because I made it so cheap that it's cheaper than junk food. It's a no-brainer. It has no pesticides, no GMOs, no chemical fertilizers. It is the last food in the country, if not the world, that is absolutely healthy and naturally low carb. Not carbs stripped away, leaving it completely nutritionless and processed. No, naturally low carb. 14 of the healthiest superfoods I have put in Mealbetics. All you do is mix it in water or thermos and replace 1 or 2 meals every day. And I know you're going to love it. In fact, I'm going to send you 10 free meals on me. That's right. I'm going to prove to you just how delicious and nutritious it actually is. And you're going to see, just in the 1 week of eating those 10 meals, how much time you're saving and how much money you're saving. Many are saving hundreds every month on their food bill, not to mention thousands on their medical bills. That's the whole point of eating truly healthy, low-carb meals, is that, I know, God forbid, your health improves, right? That's the whole point of actually eating healthy. So I know you're going to love Mealbetics, and I know you're going to love the taste, and please order one right now, and I'll send it out to you within the next couple days. I'll talk to you soon.